Maganap ka ng Montero dyan. Ilalaban ko na ng pasariwaan. I got you ulit. So this is the 2015 Mitsubishi Montero GLSV automatic transmission. Exterior wise, original paint pa rin siya at sobrang kintab. Auto retractable side mirrors, 22 inches Shogun wheels, brand new yung mga tires at sa harap. Projector headlights, LED day running light, fog lamps, may chrome accent sa grille at 3 ang ending. At sa pinakalikod, carbon wing, orig pa yung mga taillight lens, high trim GLSV, chrome garnish, may rear camera at sa trunk. Napakaluwag ng trunk space, kasyang-kasya mga groceries nyo. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, fresh leather seat, touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control, audio controls, outlet source, mini storage at remote para sa TV Plus natin, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders at center console, leather wrap na steering wheel, may mga controls dito, may paddle shifter, analog display with 62,000 kilometers on clock only. At sa likod, okay ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 patangit ko, meron siyang air vents, aircon controls at armrest with 2 built-in cup holders. At sa third row, medyo masikip pero kasya ako, meron siyang overhead vents, 2 cup holders at mini storage. At pagdating naman sa engine, it's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged automatic transmission diesel engine at napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina na to. At syempre, fuel efficient din siya, diesel engine pa, napakamura ng diesel ngayon. At hindi to yung Montero na yung biglang nag-accelerate na ganon, hindi siya ganon. Kaya kung gusto mo ng family car and at the same time may angas pa din, ito na yung para sa'yo. For only 785,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tumawag ka na, reserve mo na tong napaka-fresh na Montero natin. Thank you guys, peace out.